There are so many great and simple opportunities how to make money online. As you've decided to watch this video, this shows that you are also interested in learning a way to earn decent money. You have made the right decision when clicking on this video because today I will be showing you a new method on how you can make money online just by liking videos. Sounds amazing, right? And the best part is that this opportunity is absolutely free and available worldwide. So this means it doesn't matter which country you are from. Also, it does not require any previous experience or knowledge. You can start right away. Isn't it exciting? But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. I would now like to introduce you the new opportunity how you can make money online just by liking videos. First, you need to go to this website, rapidworkers.com. This website is actually very popular as it has over 100,000 workers. And on the main page here, you can see that at Rapid Workers, the tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low costs, and employers are fulfilled. Also, the workers are very happy and compensated promptly. And the most important part is that this website truly works and people are able to earn decent money thanks to it. And here they also say that their teams help individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. And here you can read how their website actually works. We are combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs, while at the same time providing money to everyday users. Now, on the left side on this website, under the Our Services, you can see two options here. This one is for employers, and this one is for workers. And obviously, when you want to become a worker on this website, then you should be looking at this section right here, as this is a step-by-step guide how everything works on this website. First, you need to sign up for a free account. And don't worry, I will be showing you how to do that. Then you can take an overview of their offered jobs and microjobs, as liking videos, following on social media, signing up for online games, creating free accounts, and so much more. You can just choose the one you like the best. And after you have chosen your job, then you can start with it. And when you have finished, you'll just have to submit proof and you're all done. Then you can cash out the money through your PayPal or through other payment option that they offer. Sounds very easy, right? As I have said earlier, the first thing you need to do on this website is to create yourself a free account. To do that, click on here where it says Sign Up Now. This will take you to this next page here. As you can see, this is very simple. All you need to do is fill in your information. Here you need to fill in your name, email address, and create the password. And when clicking on the country drop-down section, you can see that people all over the world are able to join this website. Just choose your country here. Then, don't forget to confirm that you are not a robot by clicking here. Now, over here you can see that this website is quite strict and you need to follow the rules in order to join them and make money. Here's what they say you can't do. You can't use VPN or other type of masking IP software. You can't have multiple accounts with the same IP or use shared or public Wi-Fi. You can't use the same IP with other accounts to do tasks. And also, you can't do other country jobs that you're not from. If you violate these rules, you will get banned. And on top of that, if you get banned, you can't create a new account. Therefore, you need to follow the rules in order to start making money. Then you need to click here to confirm that you understand the rules and you have read their terms and conditions. And finally, click on Create My Account. Once you have finished creating your account, check your email as they have sent you an email where you need to confirm your email address. Just click on the link in the email and then your account is ready. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now, as your account is ready, you can see your dashboard in here with several sections as available jobs. Task/finished jobs, My Campaigns, My Account, Deposit, Withdraw, and Tutorials. Here, on the available job section, you can see so many job opportunities. Also, how much you will earn for each period of time. It all looks very simple, and it's really easy to understand this table here. But keep in mind to choose the job from your country only, as it's against the rules to do the other country job that you're not from. Let's say you are from Spain, then you need to choose the international here. Next, I would like you to type YouTube here on the search bar. You can also rearrange the position, how much money you could gain, by completing them. After you have clicked on that, you could see that the most profitable tasks are first. As you can see here, you can make this amount of money when you finish it during this period of time. And when you click here, you will be redirected to this website, where you will see the instructions of your task. You need to finish your task in just a few minutes and submit that proof, and then you are all done. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.